從中
中中係形容水流聲，特別係溪水或者泉水流動時發出嘅連續嘹亮聲音。
In English, it can be translated as gurgling or babbling.
山間溪水淙淙流淌，帶來陣陣涼意。
The mountain stream gurgled continuously, bringing a refreshing coolness.
淙淙流水聲伴隨着微風，令人心曠神怡。
The babbling water sound accompanied by the breeze makes one feel relaxed.